Hi, Teresa.
Hi.
Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, I can. I'm glad this worked out. So, we're here for your 10-week checkup. Tell me a little bit about how you've been feeling. I know I haven't seen you in a few weeks. In our last appointment, you had come down with the flu. And you were a little bit concerned about that. So, how are you feeling now since then?
Yeah, that was really scary. Yeah, I'm really glad that I'm healthy and the baby's healthy, but Dad really wasn't feeling well and I was really worried about it, but baby's okay and it was fine. Since then, I've just noticed that I've been getting real upset more easily, and I haven't been handling my emotions as well as I used to. So I'm noticing my relationships are really strained. Like, I've been in touch with the baby's father, and I'm just like not having it with him. Like, he is causing me so much stress and anxiety, and I usually am a pretty level-headed person, I like to say, but I'm noticing how much my mood is affected during this pregnancy. And I'm just noticing a lot of bloating. Um, yeah, it's just really uncomfortable, and I know it's going to get even more uncomfortable, but I am excited about the new life growing inside of me, and I'm hoping that I can feel the baby move soon. So yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for sharing. I do want to ease your mind a little bit. Emotions get so out of control. The hormones are so fluctuating so much when you're going through this. So I want to ease your mind a little bit that is normal. You're going to be feel up and down. You're going to have really dramatic mood swings. And that just comes with, especially now at your 10-week checkup. I get that a lot from around 9, 10, 11, and 12 weeks. That starts to happen. So I want to put your mind at ease about that. And I'm curious if you have other major concerns, or is it mostly just the feelings of anxiety and stress revolving around it?
Yeah, I guess I've just been more achy too. So headaches. I've been having more backache too, which I wasn't expecting. Like, my back literally hurts. Um, and sometimes I'm also constipated, which I didn't know that came with pregnancy. Oh my gosh.
A lot of people don't. It's probably one of the lesser talked about ones and not fun. But I wanted to ask, we had given you the prenatal vitamins, um, I think during your first checkup. Are you still taking those regularly?
Yes.
Okay, so I know we had started those off on just like more of a introductory dosage, and regarding your symptoms, we can go ahead and at 10 weeks you can start doubling them. So just make sure you're drinking a lot of water, and you can actually up those, and those a lot of times help. Um, it'll help your stomach feel better. They usually help with that. They help a little bit with energy. I know your notes, you had said you were concerned about a lack of energy, which again is very normal. I wouldn't would don't worry about those things. Those are very normal for pregnancy and what you're going through. So don't worry about them. But upping the prenatals will help that. And also, I don't know if you have a nutritionist at all, but there's other everyday remedies like just increasing iron intake. So make sure you're drinking a lot of water. And then for iron, there's spinach and um, other foods that we can incorporate into your diet as well that will usually help. So I'll email you some articles here after our appointment that will help with that a little bit. As far as your other anxieties and stressors, if you don't mind me asking, do you have a counselor at all, or have you been talking to anyone throughout your pregnancy? Because it is a really stressful time.
Um, well, no, I mainly talk to you, honestly. You're my counselor.
Okay. I'm happy to be here for you. As far as your how you're feeling and a lot of your physical health. I'm happy to talk to you about the things that I'm more equipped to, but I do have counselors here in at the clinic, at the office. We have several that are in touch with us that are incorporated, and we have some that are specialized for pregnant mothers. It's again it's not anything to think is abnormal for you. It's a really big change. It's a big shift. It's your first pregnancy. And if you want me to get you in touch with one of them, they can really help guide you along with some techniques, and they've done it with a lot of other mothers. So if you want me to refer you, we can look into that as well.
Okay. Yeah, I think I would be interested in a counselor, actually.
Okay, that would be awesome. We can, I'll get in touch with a few of them, and I will send you their references. I can talk to them just about your position, and we can go over insurance and stuff like that. But I've had some really positive experiences from my clients in the past, so I think that would really just help level out, every area with home life and just mentally feeling, out of sorts sometimes, which is very normal. And then obviously I'll still be here and help you with some of these diet things and any other medications and such that will come into play. And that way you can just have a little bit of a balance with both of those.
Yeah, that sounds really good. Thank you so much.
Awesome. The only other thing, I know we had you on the protein supplements, which you've taken for quite a while, and they're fine to take while you're pregnant too, but are you still taking those regularly? And okay. Okay, so yeah, continue to take those. And other than that, I'm glad you are recovered from the flu. I know that can be a bit of a roadblock when you're already feeling out of sorts. I'm glad you got it out of the way. Yeah. Is there anything else, as far as how you're feeling, anything else you wanted to check in with me about?
No, I think we covered a lot of what I was thinking. If I need to, can I email you if I have more issues I forgot about?
Yes. Yep, absolutely. You know where my email is, and then I will send you the schedule sign up as well, and your next appointment, usually about 3 or 4 weeks, is the time frame we'd like to check back in with you. So I'll just send over the calendar that you can go ahead and look at your schedule and put that in. And if there's anything before then, yeah, shoot me an email, and we can set up something before that too if need be. So
great. Okay, sounds good.
And then I had already sent you over the release form. These videos are recorded, so I just need to double check that that is okay with you for documentation purposes, that this session was recorded.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
All right, awesome. Well, it's great to see you, and good luck with everything, and I'll shoot you over those references and those nutrition articles as well.
Awesome. Thanks, Miss Sullivan.
You're so welcome. Bye, Teresa.
Bye.